Our power.
People power.
NUP.
Everywhere. NUP. Oh, Talo, Naluete, Tuliyambale Ngule, Tuliyambale Ngule, Tuliyambale Ngule. Oh, Talo, Naluete, Tuliyambale Ngule, Tulivimba mu Uganda mpya.
NUP.
Everywhere. NUP.
Kunga mkono kunga mfuma kunga kayunga kunga
platform Mkono chapter. We have convened here for a meeting because of the ongoing issues in Parliament. As you well know, our party, Uganda National Unity Platform, led by His Excellency Kyagulanyi Ssentamu, we have our core values. And among the core values we have, there is discipline, there is patriotism, service. So today with my counterparts, we have come here to talk about the issue of corruption. First and foremost, our president was loud and clear. His statement was bold against corruption. We saw it when he suspended Honorable Mpuga, the MP for Masaka. And right here as I speak, on 6th of June 2024, we have come here with my colleagues to also make a bold statement against corruption. As you well know, in the Parliament, there is a motion which is going on. Parliamentarians, they are signing a petition to censor the commissioners who got a bribe. For us, we say it is a bribe, and for them, they are saying it was a commission given to them for their good work. Dear countrymen, today we are here and making our statement bold, and we are saying no to corruption. We are behind our president, Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu. All along he has been saying Uganda is going behind because of corrupt officers. And today, as Mukono chapter, we are saying we are behind him. All parliamentarians in Mukono, those who have our flags of National Unity Platform, we are telling them it is not late. We have given them a time of today. MPs of Greater Mukono, we want you to sign that petition such that we be on the same page with our president. Because corruption is a disease that is eating up our country. He is not going to sign that petition. We shall call him, or he will declare himself or herself as a snake in National Unity Platform. Because our president told us, we say no to corruption. So we are telling those MPs who have not so far signed the petition, the likes of Honorable Nambooze Bakireke, the likes of Honorable Simbwa, and the others. But as National Unity Platform, we are talking about our MPs. I will not go other MPs who don't belong to our party. We thank those MPs of ours, Honorable Nakukera Nifa and Honorable Chiwanu Kabudala, who have signed the petition so far. We are now on the same page. But we are warning those ones who have signed. Because, as you well know, our president is fighting corruption. And this thing, he acted as a whistleblower when he suspended Honorable